Hi, my name is Ekaterina Uetova. I would like to tell you about my research on errors in Russian agreement and case government made by French-speaking students. This study is based on written works produced by university students from Nice, Lyon, and Sorbonne universities. We use the Russian National Corpus built at the University High School of Economics in Moscow to store and annotate our texts. Though the study relies on the Russian Learner Corpus's error notation system, we modified it for easier and more comfortable analysis of our data. This study consists of two parts. The first part is only about errors in agreement and case government. We closely looked at errors made in every agreement type and in every case government with and without prepositions. We tried to classify these errors and to find out their source. In the second part of the study, we took into account the correct forms of the endings of nouns. In the poster, you can see a few charts for each part of the study. For the first part of the study, there are three charts. From the chart 1, we can see that the most frequent errors were errors in gender number. The least number of errors occurred in person agreement, and these errors were made only at A1 level. In addition, gender errors appear more often in adjectives, and errors in number and case in nouns. From the chart 2, we can conclude that most often students replace the necessary case with the nominative. Instead of the accusative case, students tend to use the genitive, and instead of the dative, they use the accusative of animate nouns, which coincides with the genitive. From the chart 3, we can see that the most problematic combination is the use of the preposition the plus accusative. In general, the most errors occur on the accusative and locative cases, and the most problematic prepositions are the and na. For the second part of the study, there are two charts. These charts show that the number of errors for incorrectly used cases decreases with the increase in language proficiency. If we take into account the correct forms, we can see that the percentage of correct forms is getting larger from level to level. Moreover, now we can see that the dative turned out to be the most difficult case for our students. Students use it rarely, trying to replace it with another case. So this study gave us stimulating results and encouraged us to do further research on the domain of Russian second language acquisition.